Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Leanplum for onboarding flows, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the Leanplum URL in the address bar. Press the enter key. Once the page loads, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the first field. In the second field, type in your password. Make sure to check your spelling for both the email and password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions to reset your password if necessary. Once your email and password are correctly entered, click on the Login button. Wait for the page to load. You should now be on your Leanplum dashboard. Check the left sidebar for onboarding flows. Click on the section labeled Onboarding. Here, you can access various onboarding flow options. Explore the features to familiarize yourself with the platform. If you have any trouble logging in, double-check your credentials. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Congratulations, you are now logged into Leanplum for onboarding flows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.